respected parents and my dear friends, I would like to thank all of you for your cooperation in the teaching learning process in this difficult time. For the whole last year, you have supported us immensely. Dear parents, without your cooperation, conducting such classes and examinations would not have been possible. My dear students, you have shown courage, you have shown your strength, you have shown your cordiality, and you have shown your discipline. This year also, the online classes have started from the month of April. From tomorrow, that is 15th of July, the first periodic test is beginning. Our teachers have tried with the cooperation of our parents. Students have prepared well. They will be taking their first test of 2021-22 from tomorrow. There are few new students joined in this session in the school. I have requested our teachers to practice them with the new system of examination. I know last year wherever they have studied, they must have prepared for the same. Still, I would request the parents to be invigilating the students while taking the test, and teachers have to coordinate and cooperate the students very friendly so that they won't face any problem. Now, dear friends, for the last entire year and 4 months of this session, you have been very cooperative. I have seen, I have interacted with you, I have interacted with the parents of LKG, UKG, Standard 1, Standard 2, Standard 10th. What I have learnt from all of you is that you are very courageous. I remember one thought told by Plato, the Greek philosopher: courage is what you know not to fear. So, dear friends, you have shown the strength. So, therefore, please prepare for the examination. Nothing to worry. Please keep your calm and cool, but please be particular before putting the final button for submission. So far as Standard 10th students are concerned, Central Board of Secondary Education has come up with very innovative and need of the hour process of examination. The examination that will be conducted by the school internally will be also contributing for your final computation of marks. Therefore, tomorrow's examination is a contributing examination for your annual result. You will be taking 3 internal tests conducted by the school: periodic 1, periodic 2, periodic 3, and 2 tests will be conducted by the board, term 1 and term 2. The marks from all these internal assessments and the term 1 and term 2 marks will be contributing for your final results. Therefore, your examination from tomorrow is very important. My dear friends, scoring marks in the examination is very important. At the same time, acquiring knowledge is very important. Therefore, this is the time for all of us make an assessment and acquiring knowledge. I would like to thank all of you for your cooperation, and I would like to extend my best wishes for the students for the examination that will be starting from 15th of July. All the best, and thank you very much.